You ready to sleep?
Okay.
Okay. Kate is ready. You like your new swimming suit? Is it nice? Ganda, baby Kate. Oh, ganda ng swimsuit niya. We're here, Kate.
Here, little baby.
Ganda.
Like the car.
Let's go. Daddy's coming to get you. Let's go. Hey, follow Daddy. Ganda, baby kids. Oh, up. Oh. Ganda naman ng baby kid. Wow, there's swimming kid. Galing naman. Wow! Ganda. Walking on the ground. Ang ganda naman guys na ano nila, facility. Ang daming ball.
Find out,
Ang dami? Oh, ang daming dogs. On the ball. Okay. So, ready na ang mommy, guys. Ganda na swimming pool. Ganda. Laki. So, yan lang guys. Ito lang tayo kasi ano, mahirap na. Ito yung changing room nila. May pang-baby din. He's going home na. Let's get snacks in the car. Going home na si Kate. Where's Daddy? So yan, uwi na kami guys. Let's get snack in the car. Wow. Enjoy ang baby Kate guys. Nabitin lang. Sayang, bitin makapag-camera kasi nga ano, bawal. Let's go Kate! So uwi na guys. Let's go! Let's go Kate! So bye-bye na guys. Uwi na. Gusto mang baby mag-swimming.